I just had to put it in 4-wheel drive because I was slipping all over the place. But now we're locked and loaded. Well, we found the snow. Wow, it's crazy that just 10 minutes up a little hill, it's dumping snow instead of dumping rain. If we would have known that, we would have just camped up here last night, but live and learn. So we're riding today and we're gonna have some snow adventures, so stay tuned. Y'all, it's freaking dumping outside. Oh, look. Heater airing out again. Bro. Anyways, I'm taking a second. What time is it? It is dumping out here. So, it's 10 o'clock. I think I'm gonna drink some more water. What did I eat? 2 donuts? I might eat that yogurt in there. And I think we're gonna go ride a little bit and then come back and do lunch. But I think I'm actually gonna do yogurt right now. So I just got back to the camper. I'm here to do lunch. It's really windy. I've never been in like super gnar wind. In this pop top, I can see it shaking. Can you see that? So I don't know how it's gonna do. But anyways, our main camera is fogged out, so I got it in front of the heater and I'm trying to dry it out. But yeah, so far riding was awesome. I don't think we're gonna film more riding because I don't want this to be a snowboard video, but conditions are gnarly but great, if that makes sense. We might have to finish this video on the GoPro. I've had the up heater just freaking aired again. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Anyways, that is annoying. The lens isn't unfogging and I need to eat, so let's get some food out. I got these sweet deals right here. Chicken wrap. Got this right here, a little bowl. Bro. Let's get it. The problem with filming on this camera is I don't have a tripod for it. It's on like a, I typically only use this to snowboard. So it's only got like a selfie stick. Can't set the camera down. The main camera has tripods. Can you tell I'm annoyed? I'm annoyed by that heater. Alright. Chicken wrap. Looks like the camera fogged again, but my buddy showed up. We're gonna go ride a little bit. I'm not gonna film any of that, and I'll see you when we get back. My main camera is still fogged out. Crazy. So we're gonna try and keep filming on this GoPro. We're just got done riding with our homie Hurricane. He's down there in that Subaru, but yeah, he's a professional, so he's really good. He pushed me to my limits for sure. The wind a little bit. Icy up here. Hey, this is Austin right here.
Ooh, what up?
Professional snowboarder. He pushed me to my limits. He's gonna...
Took him down the Dragon's Taint. It was
yeah.
Up here at Timberline.
Yeah, we're about to head down the mountain. Thanks for coming to rip it with me, man.
Yeah, anytime, bro.
All right, he's gonna do some stunts for us real quick, though. Woo! That was fire. All right, y'all, we're still on the GoPro because the main camera is down for the count. We can't camp. We're planning on staying the night up here again tonight, camping in the snow, but with the heater malfunctioning, I just can't risk, you know, I have a daughter at home, so the heater took us out on this one, so we're gonna start heading down the mountain right now. And then I'm gonna email 4 Wheel Campers and Truma tomorrow and try and get a fix going so I can trust this thing and we can do more family adventures. So thanks so much for watching. If you've never seen this channel before, you just happen to have showed up here, consider subscribing. We do a lot of winter camping. We also have a homestead, and I have a whole nother channel where I'm making music too. So if any of that stuff sounds interesting, hit the subscribe if you've been a long time subscriber. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys in another one. Peace.